Hi, and welcome to the Bear River Health Department's class on fire extinguishers. This is the brief, quote-unquote, classroom portion of the class, which you can watch at any time, however it fits into your schedule. A hands-on skills segment accompanies this class. Be sure to participate when those are scheduled. In a typical year here in the United States, there are 346,000 structure fires. That's about one fire every 90 minutes. Those fires are responsible for more than 2,600 deaths and more than 11,000 injuries, not to mention more than $7 billion in property damage. After completing this class, you should be able to list the major classifications of fires, describe how to choose the right fire extinguisher for each type of fire, and demonstrate how to properly use a fire extinguisher. When you look at most fire extinguishers, one of the first things you'll notice are the letters and pictures. Those correspond to the different kinds of fires that can be doused by each extinguisher. Class A fires are fueled by ordinary combustibles, such as wood and paper. Class B fires involve flammable liquids and gases, such as a grease fire on your stovetop. Class C fires involve electrical wiring and appliances. One labeled A, B, and C is a good multi-purpose fire extinguisher. So what do the numbers mean? If you look closely, you'll see a combination of letters and numbers. The number with the letter A is equivalent to 1.25 gallons of water to extinguish a fire. Remember, a Class A fire is ordinary combustibles. Water can put those kinds of fires out. But water can be dangerous with flammable liquids and electrical equipment. That's why A, B, C fire extinguishers are filled with a dry powder that works on all three types of fires. The number with the B refers to the approximate square feet of burning material that can be extinguished. For example, a 3A, 40B, C extinguisher would be as effective as 3.75 gallons of water on burning paper or wood. It would also be effective on burning liquids or gases up to 40 square feet, even where electrical equipment is present. If you experience a fire, you need to make a quick decision. First, you have to call 911 or direct someone else to make that call. Second, you have to quickly evaluate whether you should try to fight the fire or evacuate. A 4A, 80B, C extinguisher, like the ones we have at the health department, is equivalent to 5 gallons of water and can cover an area approximately 8 feet by 10 feet. Don't risk your life if heat and smoke conditions are bad or if the extinguisher is too small. Evacuate. But if you choose to stay, there's a simple way of remembering how to use the extinguisher. Pass. P, pull the pin. A, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. S, squeeze the handles together. S, sweep the nozzle back and forth. If you have any questions, send me an email, and don't forget to participate in one of the skills sessions when they're made available at your building.